Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crypto Focus. Quick market update before we start. The market is finally recovering after the recent dump. Bitcoin is bouncing back and the others are trying to recover. The overall market sentiments are better. The kind of market is usually a good time to look for strong projects and hidden gem. Today I'm going to talk about a project that is building an entire digital ecosystem, and that project is PanChain. PanChain will describe itself as a unified digital world where blockchain, AI, content, community, and real-world use case come together. It's not just a one product; it is a complete ecosystem built for creators, innovators, and builders. And the number of platforms inside the ecosystem is actually very big. So let me explain everything in a simple language. PanChain has its own crypto news hub where users get real-time crypto updates, market insight, and expert analysis. It is designed to help people make smarter decisions in the digital asset space. They also have Stream, which is a creator-first streaming platform created with high-quality streaming, global reach, and multiple ways to earn. For viewers, it is a simple, smooth, and global entertainment. Another platform is Teachweek, which is like a network for founders, developers, and tech lovers. With all people who connect. It's allow people to connect, collaborate, and build new projects with verified professionals. PanChain also has included VIP cashback deals that use blockchain verified cashback on every shopping. It's transparent, secure, and can be used globally across partner stores. Then there is a AAA blockchain powered travel platform. You get exclusive deal, verified experience, transparent and pricing, and a decentralized identity for smooth global travel. Next is Noja AI, which is a PanChain's AI engine. It provides automatic smart assistants and productive tools to help users and businesses increase productivity and work more efficiently. They also have a webhook and next-gen search engine focused on speed, accuracy, and privacy. There is no tracking, no glitcher, just fast and clean search result. Another tool is Halomon, which is a privacy-first messaging app with end-to-end encryption and Web3 calling. It ensures secure communication without leaving any data footprint. As development, it helps businesses build AI-powered platform, enterprises app, and high-professional digital ecosystem. At the core of everything, it's all PanChain blockchain itself. This is a high-performance, ultra-secure blockchain designed for speed, scalability, and real-time crypto trading. All products in the ecosystem are connected to this chain. They also have PanChain Explorer. This is tracking transaction contract and the overall network connectivity in real time. Another major product is Pain Freedom Card. This card bridges crypto with traditional finance. It allows users to buy, sell, manage, and grow their crypto portfolio through one simple, intuitive platform. Pain Freedom is that global network platform that use PanChain blockchains to combine ecosystem token with the worldwide network marketing community. The aim to create financial ecosystem, fixless system to product, promote franchises, scaling, and wealth empowerment. According to them, more than 1,200 projects are coming to PanChain. Now let's talk about PC Coin. PC Coin is the main ecosystem token. It's already live and trading on CoinStore, so users have liquidity and can trade easily. They also offer daily creation rewards. This allows users to earn more PC coins without losing control of their holding. It's a simple way to earn supporters to grow their balances. Tier 1 investment phase is currently live. Early participants receive monthly dividends equal to 2% of their investment for 12 months. The token unlock schedule start from 30th month after the 2% of the token unlock every month until 62 months. They create a long distribution at 1% per month for 10 months. So overall, PanChain is building a massive ecosystem combined blockchain, AI, content, finance, travel, communication, and real-world tool. It is one of the few projects that's trying to bridge everything into one unified system. If you want to explore more, can you visit their websites and check their social. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.